As a new investor, do you find transferring money from your bank account to your registered broker's account to be intimidating? 5paisa has made it seamless just for you. You can now transfer money through various modes, all from one app. 5paisa offers you 4 different options for money transfers. Here's how. Simply go to User, then click on Add Funds. Enter the desired amount you wish to transfer. Now, 5paisa gives you various options to choose from to make your payment from your registered bank account. Option 1. If you wish to use a UPI app, click on the UPI app of choice. Enter your UPI PIN and make the payment. Option 2. If you wish to use a UPI ID, enter the ID in the space provided and click on Pay. You will get a notification from the UPI app. Click on it and enter your UPI PIN to complete the payment. Option 3. If you wish to use net banking, click on the net banking option. It will redirect you to the net banking page. Just log into your bank account and complete the payment. Option 4. If you wish to make an IMPS NEFT transfer, click on the Try IMPS NEFT option at the bottom of the screen. You will then be redirected to a web page where you will find the beneficiary details. Use these details to add 5paisa as your beneficiary in your bank account. After adding the bank account, you can transfer money directly through IMPS NEFT. With quick, easy and safe process gateways, any option you choose will lead to secure transactions with 5paisa. For well-informed investments, try 5paisa. Watch our other tutorial videos to learn more about 5paisa. Download the 5paisa app today.